Hi, this is Ellen from American Homestead, and today I'm in the American Homestead studio, and I'm going to show you how to make a mask from a standard dinner napkin, a few hair ties, and a twist tie from a bread loaf. Now, these are not medical grade masks, but they will give you some peace of mind if you absolutely have to go out to get groceries. And that is the only reason that we should be going out unless you have a medical emergency of some sort or if you have to care for someone. So take your napkin and we're going to fold it into thirds. Now before we fold the top side down, we're going to take the twist tie and place it right at the fold and then bring it down. Flatten it out, and we're going to take the hair ties and put them around the napkin at each side at approximately a third of the way. Then we will fold in and try and flatten it out as best you can. And when you fold the right side over, the second side, you want to place it inside the left side. And there you have it. You pull your hair ties, and this would be the front of your mask. And the twist tie, for those of you that wear glasses, is important because if you don't have something to shape this around your nose, then your glasses will fog up and you end up touching your face way too much anyway. So this will provide you with some sort of protection, and at the very least, it stops you from touching your face, and it reminds you, it's rather uncomfortable, so it reminds you to get your stuff together, get going, and get home. Good luck and stay safe.